Turning a simple hobby into a blog that generates $250,000 annually may seem like a dream, but with persistence and strategy, it's possible. My blogging journey started as a creative outlet, fueled by a love for writing and sharing insights. Juggling time and figuring out the technical side of blogging felt overwhelming at first. If you enjoy your topic, it's easier to push through early hurdles. Passion translates into engaging content. A pivotal moment came when I decided to treat my blog like a business, dedicating regular hours to produce valuable content. I consumed free resources to build my skills in SEO and social media marketing. Educating yourself about blogging tools and strategies is key to growth. I focused on 3 main areas to scale my blog: content creation, traffic growth, and monetization. Created evergreen content and used keyword research to solve readers' problems. I optimized posts for search engines and leveraged platforms like Pinterest for traffic. Diversifying income through affiliate marketing, ad revenue, and digital products was crucial. Managing everything alone was overwhelming. Delegating tasks helped streamline my efforts. I conducted audits and revamped older posts to tackle traffic stagnation. My blog now generates $250,000 annually through multiple revenue streams. Blogging taught me growth, discipline, and the importance of continuous learning. If you're considering turning your hobby into a profitable blog, start today.